All right, y'all. All right. So two things. One, these are really nice, by the way. These are nice. And two, are Air Jordan 1 starting to become acquirable again? Let's talk about it. I think so. Let's check this out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid. Now, Friday, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I really do hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the intro, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we're actually going to be taking a look at today is over a pair of Air Jordan 1s that actually was the release of the beginning of this year. I want to say it was February, and these actually did sell out. But at the same time, they constantly keep restocking these, and even if you go over on the secondary markets, they're actually not going for a whole bunch in price right now. You can almost still get them for resale. So the sneaker that we're gonna be taking a look at today is the Air Jordan 1 in the dark Marina blue colorway. Like I said, these did go ahead and release over back in February for the beginning of this year, and I know a lot of people in the community, I know a lot of you guys are a big fan of them, and I also do know a lot of you guys aren't a big fan of them. Personally, whenever I saw them, they actually did remind me of the 2017 Air Jordan 1 Royal. Now, they're not exactly the same, but they do have similarities, and we're going to be taking a look at it today. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into these dark Marina blues, and let's get straight into this review. Let's go. All right, so first and foremost, before we even dive and take a look at these dark Marina blues, I have to let you guys know, thank you for all the love and support that you guys really show me. It seriously means a lot, from the comments to the liking to just engaging with me. It really does mean a tremendous amount. I mean, I have a big passion when it comes to me actually making reviews for you guys, and whenever you guys show me massive love and support, it really does mean a lot. The channel just hit 1,500 subscribers, and I'm just happy for that. I'm just really happy for that. So I just really want you to know I do not take you guys for granted at all, and thank you for all the love and support that you show me, seriously. Also, as well, if this is your first time checking out any one of my videos, any of my content, any one of my sneaker reviews, I would really love for you guys to go ahead and stay around. So definitely go ahead and like and subscribe. That way, anytime your boy, your kid drops any videos, you will be the first to be alerted. So go ahead and hit that bell notification to tap in to keep yourself up to date. So with all of that said, we're gonna go ahead and dive into these dark Marina blues. But first, I always like to be color coordinated as best as I can, and I always like to do it with matching headbands. So let me go ahead and throw this headband on, and we're gonna be taking a look at these beautiful babies right here. Let's get it. And bada bing, bada boom, we got our Air Jordan 1 headband on, as you can see. So let's take this knife right here. Got a nice little Supreme knife. Gonna open this up and cut into this. So I did go ahead and pick these up over on Nike sneakers. There was a restock for them. I think it was last week, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was last Tuesday, and they did a restock on these, and they also did a restock on the Air Jordan 1 Brotherhoods, and I was able to go ahead and get those as well. And I don't know, I don't know, and this is gonna be maybe also kind of towards the end of the video, I'll talk more about it. I think Air Jordan 1s, and you can chime in and comment down below, let me know. I feel like the demand for them is not there anymore, honestly. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna say it's not there. It's just in terms of like 2 to 3 years ago, like things were just selling out like crazy. And even over on the secondary markets like StockX and Go, they were going for like, maybe $50 to $100 above. But now if you look over on the secondary markets, they're going for like 20 to 30. So, which is good for me, me being a sneaker enthusiast, and I'm pretty sure you who are also sneaker enthusiasts can agree as well, where, we are really beneficial and we like that as well a lot. But yeah, I just don't know. I feel like Air Jordan 1s are low-key, I don't know, they're kind of going back to their old ways of sitting. But, so here we go, right here. This is the box, as you can see. So you do have the black, and then you have the Nike logo in there in red, and then as you look onto the side, you have your size description. I will go into that in a little bit. Looking at the other side, you do have black with the Nike as well. So like your regular Air Jordan 1 box, let me go ahead and read you guys the size description of that. So the size description does read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. SKU code is 555088404. Dark Marina blue, black and white, and I did go ahead and get a 10.5. Now, and when it comes to Air Jordan 1s, if you've never owned a pair of Air Jordans before, I recommend going true to size. They kind of run like Air Force Ones, so if you go true to size, you will be fine. However, if you do want a snugger fit, meaning you just kind of like want a tighter fit, because sometimes every now and then I know I do, which is kind of why I go sometimes a half size down, go a half size down and you will be perfectly fine as well. If you have any more questions on the sizing, comment down below and I will try to be attentive to your comment as fast and possible as I can. So here we go right here. Let me go ahead and actually give you guys a better perspective. Let's go ahead and actually pop the top off. Oh man, I'm excited for these. So let's go ahead and pop it off and boom. So you do get your, nothing crazy on the lid right there. You do have your little baby swoosh right there. And you do have a lot number in red. So let's go ahead and peel back. As you can see, you have just nothing but like a standard tissue paper, all white. And let's go ahead and peel this back together. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, we get black and white laces? Okay, I like that. So let's go ahead and take these out. Hey, yo, these are nice though. These are really clean. On everything, they are clean. Okay, let's go ahead and put these. Hey, these are clean. Oh man, hold on. Shoot. Let me go ahead and take the other shoe out for you. And there we go right here. Let's go ahead and put everything up and let's dive into them together. All right, so boom, here we go right here. These are the Air Jordan 1 Dark Marina Blue, and this is the left shoe, and then this is the right as well. But we're gonna take a look at the left just because it has more with it with the laces as well. So as you can see, it does come with 2 laces. You do get white and you do get black. Definitely will be probably swapping the black laces with that as well. The box is going crazy. We do have standard, the Dark Marina Blue laces right there. Let me go ahead and actually pull the other one just so you can have a better view with it. So starting with the bottom of it, you got the outsole. It is comprised of your Dark Marina Blue, which actually covers the whole outsole, and then you do have your Nike branding in the middle right there. You do go ahead and, as you can see, you go up to your midsole, you have an all white midsole. Man, these kind of remind me of the Royals, like I kind of stated earlier in the video. Not exactly, but we're gonna go a little bit more into detail with that. As you come up even more, you hit with your side panels, you do have your Dark Marina Blue hits right there. Then you also do have your black, you have your Dark Marina Blue swoosh. Then looking at the toe box right there, you do have your black plush toe box right there. Actually very nice, to be honest. Not stiff, not hard, very soft. Then you do get your Dark Marina Blue lace right there. As you go up, you do go ahead and get your nylon tongue right there. Then as you come up even more, you get hit with the Dark Marina Blue Nike tag. It does have Nike Air, and you have Nike in white, and you have your swoosh and Air in white as well. Looking at the back of it, you do have your heel in the Dark Marina Blue colorway as well. And then looking at the right there, even closer, you do have your Wings logo, which is done in the black, which goes really, really nice. I actually dig these, and to be able to actually get these for retail was even better. Like I said, if you go over to the secondary markets like GOAT and StockX, these actually aren't going for too bad in price. If you are interested in them, I would capitalize on them as best as you can, because there's no telling nowadays with sneakers. Price points could be just going up. Someday, you know, one night they'll be going for retail, and then the next 2 or 3 days they flying up. But yeah, like I said, Air Jordan 1s, I don't know, they're kind of sitting for a little bit. But anywho though, these are the Dark Marina Blues, as you can see. Let me go ahead and get you the other side so you can see as well. For at first glance, my opinion, they do remind me a lot of the 2017 Royal. However, now the Royals, and you know, for a lot of people that are OG, they're probably gonna be like, how dare you comprise these together? Don't be going ahead and comparing these. But to be honest though, they kind of do have their same similarities. With the Royals, I would say the Royals are a lot more a brighter blue, and these are kind of more of like a darker, deeper blue. So I like them a lot. Comment down below, let me know what you feel about these Dark Marina Blues. You know, personally, I would say if you don't have the Royals, then these are probably the next best thing. Like, I don't have the Royals, so that's why I'm actually happy I have these. But if you do have the Royals, then I'd say that these probably for you aren't really a must-have. But like I said, still, these are really nice. So comment down below and do let me know what you feel about these dark Marina blues. Oh wow, I actually almost forgot to show you guys as well. Let me go ahead and open up and take the shoe tree out. You do have your blue laces right there, and then looking inside, you do have a white insole right there, and you do have a Nike Air logo, which is done in that dark Marina blue. I think that's actually a really nice touch. Like I said, I think that for sure, these are nice. If you do have the OGs, I can see why you'd pass on them. I think that these are probably gonna be one that with you put a lot of wear into them, the more wear you get, the more mileage you get with them, and they do age, it's gonna go ahead and look a lot better. A lot of fits you for sure can go ahead and pull off with these. With me not having the Royals, these are for sure going to be a keeper in my collection for sure. So like I said, comment down below and let me know what you think about these dark Marina blues. I'm gonna go ahead and actually cut away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I don't know what that was, but before I do, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get you guys a closer perspective over these. So check them out right now. So like I said, yeah, if you look at them, there are some similar elements of the Air Jordan 1 Royal in here for sure. I think I like the fact how, you know, sometimes Nike, they'll take new silhouettes, of course, or excuse me, new colorways for these silhouettes, and they'll kind of match it to previous OGs. Now I know some people aren't a big fan of that, but I kind of feel like it's kind of more innovating. It's kind of cool, you know. I feel like a lot of people are satisfied with that. Air Jordan 1s particularly, I know they do it with a lot. And so I think these dark Marina blues are one to have to the collection for sure. Let me know what you think about them seriously down below. I will be going ahead over on my Instagram as well, taking a couple photos with them, taking a couple fits with them, and just wanting to know your guys' opinion all over them. So like I said, comment down below and let me know. So alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the review over the Air Jordan 1 Dark Marina Blues. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Comment down below, let me know what you feel about them. Are these a must-have? Is there more sneakers this year that you actually have your eye on rather than these? Like I said too, and I just keep on touching on this topic or this category just because I kind of want you guys just to be a little bit aware. I want to help you guys out as best as I can. Overall, the secondary markets, these are not going for that bad. Like I said, they're going for about $20 over, $30 over retail. So if you can capitalize on them. Also, you know, if you are interested in them, I do have the Brotherhoods coming for you guys as well, though. That review will be out, I want to say maybe next week if I have time for it. But yeah, just keep you guys in the loop. Also, make sure if you haven't already to definitely go ahead and tap over on the community post. I do go to try to keep you guys up to date on sneaker news as best as I can. So yeah, definitely go check that out. So until next time, guys, this has been your boy, this has been your kid, this has been the review over the Dark Marina Blue. Remember, please, just please, I can't stress this enough. I love y'all, I really do. There's only ever gonna be one you. So be the best you. And until next time, this has been your boy, this has been your kid, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.